Hi, my name's Amy Johnson and I'm going to show you how to create a big voluminous curly look just like this. First thing I'm going to do is use the drying attachment to just take my hair to about 80% dry. Still want it a little bit damp so that I can blow dry that shape in and it will last. If you have a fringe or bangs, then you're going to want to style those now so that they are set and in place. I'm using the round volumizing brush and I like to have it on medium and medium when I do this. I've got a little bit more control. Once it's all forwards, I'll just tuck the ends under a little bit too. I'm going to start just sectioning off the bottom piece. Okay, so once you've got your barrel on and your settings are high and high, you just want to start curling your sections. And the smaller your sections, the curlier it will be. Wait till it's completely dry. Push up your cold shot, which I hold for 2 or 3 seconds. And then release. That's going to look really tight, but don't touch it. You want it to stay like that as it cools down, and then that will mean they last a bit longer. Okay, and then I'm just going to take a section down and repeat the process. I said I like to take them quite thin because they dry quicker. I said they're as curly as possible, and the curlier I do the style, then the longer it's going to last. Now we're going to do the last section. So this is the time to put your parting into place. Okay, so all the curls are done and we're looking a bit wild, but we're going to style them out using our detangling comb, position the hair into place, and we will be finished. So that's how you can create big, voluminous curly hair and make sure that it lasts as long as possible.